Hello and welcome to the Getting Started with IDEA video series presented by Automation Services. In this Getting Started video, we're going to look at a simple scenario for detecting duplicate information in a database that you've created in your IDEA project. IDEA actually has two distinct types of duplicate data analysis built in and ready for you to take advantage of. There's duplicate detection, where you'll pick from 1 to 8 columns in your database that must be exactly the same in order to produce a hit. And duplicate exclusion. With the exclusion option, you'll pick a handful of items that must be the same, and then choose a different column that must change. These two types of duplicate analysis give you strong options for looking further into your data. First, let's take a look at duplicate detection. After importing your data into your project, click the Analysis tab, and then choose Detection from the Explore category. A duplicate key detection dialog will open up, and the important option on this dialog is the Key button on the right-hand side of the dialog. Clicking the Key button will let you select the items in your dataset that must be the same. Choosing more than one field will narrow your result set down, since all of the selected fields must be the same in order to produce that hit. I'll choose invoice number and sales rep number in this example. After you've selected all the fields you're interested in, click OK to return to the first dialog. Type a descriptive name for your output database and click OK to create the duplicate analysis result. The duplicate analysis process will create a database. This will be a child file created directly underneath the original source database that you used to run the process. A blue box in the File Explorer panel indicates that at least one duplicate record was detected. A red box indicates that the process completed, but no duplicate information was copied to this database. This is completely in line with IDEA's history function and documenting of any work that you do, even if that work did not produce any result rows. We can see from this test that there were 8 records containing duplicate invoice numbers and sales rep numbers that were copied to this new database. Now let's take a second look at the database and use duplicate exclusion. I'm going to close my duplicate detection databases and start with my original sample detailed sales database one more time. This time, choose duplicate from the Explore category, but choose exclusion. The dialog's a little bit different. In the top list, choose the items that must match. Any combination of fields is okay, but the fields chosen must all match exactly to produce the match in the output database. In the field that must be different dropdown, choose the exclusion field. For this example, I want to look for duplicate invoice numbers assigned to or created by different sales reps. Click Invoice Number in the Fields to Match, and then select Sales Rep Number in the field that must be different dropdown. Now name your output file one more time, something meaningful and descriptive, and click OK. This time we can see that there's a new database created, a second child file under the original dataset that contains 4 records. This indicates the same invoice number was created or assigned to a different sales rep. If you have questions, need more information, or assistance using the duplicate detection or duplicate exclusion functions in IDEA, please call the Automation Services Help Desk at 888-641-2800 and choose option 4. Thanks, and make it a great day.